Hi guys! Good morning! May update ako sa inyo guys. I was a little bit annoyed. Kasi, diba, like, Belle and I had planned the wedding supposed this week. Like, supposedly Monday. Monday dapat yung plan namin guys. Kasi I was expecting the flower that I ordered online, dadating siya. Like, nung Sabado. Pero until now, guys, it's Tuesday already. I think Tuesday or Wednesday ba? Wait, sabi. Hindi ko na makita. Basta, today is 25. So, until now, hindi pa rin siya nakakarating. Naiinis na talaga ako. Sabi ko, my gosh. Sobrang delay niya, guys. And then, yung isa kasi gusto na niya talaga. Like, we had to do it now. Ako naman, sabi ko sa kanya, hantayin na lang natin, babe. Please lang, hantayin natin. And then, yung isa, parang, you know what? Let's go and get you fresh flower. Kasi yung binili ko, yung order ko kasi from online, it's like artificial bouquet na siya. And they're making it. It's a beautiful flower. Kasi nakita ko yun sa review, guys. Yun na lang talaga yung pinaka-inihintay namin para sa gagawing wedding. Ang gagawin lang namin is court wedding lang. Court house wedding. So, hindi siya ganun ka. Hindi kami gagawa na extravagant or whatsoever. I just wanted it simple, plain. Ganun lang yung gusto ko, guys. That's because I don't want a lot of mga ceremony and everything. Hindi yun yung gusto ko. We were in the church nung nakaraan last Sunday. Sabi niya, baka pwede yung pastor ba ng church ang sa amin magkasal. But then, I told him, like, babe, we just kakaano lang natin sa church na to and we're not a member. Maybe it's not allowed or maybe hindi yan mangyayari. So I told him, like, let's just do it in a courthouse lang kasi it's fine, it's okay. I had a video about our improvement on our living area, which ginagawa po namin yan, guys. Like, napipaint. Most of the job there was Belle. Okay? Si Belle po yung gumagawa most of the things that's happening on our living area. Yung painting, I help a little bit, but most of it, si Belle talaga yung gumagawa. And we ran out of paint today. Yesterday, we ran out of paint yesterday. So, ang gagawin namin is bibili kami ng paint, guys. Para matapos talaga namin yung living area, yung hallway, yung kitchen. Tatapusin talaga namin yan mag-paint, guys. And itong mga pictures na to, you can see naman, that's our picture together, yung mga kids. Tatanggalin ko po yan, guys. Kasi this whole bedroom also, yung wall niya, ipipaint namin. I don't know how you see the paint on the video, but it looks like white in the video, but actually it's beige. So, ang gagawin namin is, i-change namin siya ng color. I said this many times to you guys, but yeah, mag-i-improve din kami sa aming bedroom area. But we are focusing now on our living, kitchen, hallway, bathroom. Yun. But then, guys, focus muna tayo sa ating inis talaga ako. But waiting na si Belle. Belle is waiting outside on the living. Kasi alis kami. Titingin kami ng mga flower today. So, hindi ko alam yung store dito. But yeah, we will gonna look for ang laki na. Tingnan yung bukto natin, guys. Parang pang baksidor na tayo. But yeah, we're going out to look for flowers today. And then after that, we are going to Lowe's para to buy more paint. Magdadagdag kami ng paint, guys. I think I look okay. Dadalhin ko din yung scarf ko. That's because I'm sure it's bold now sa store. 10 years old ko, guys. I'm confident now. That's because Belle is turning the temperature high. Like, it's 76 Fahrenheit. So, parang I feel a little bit warm. Usually, yung pagdating namin dito, yung kanyang yung kanyang temperature nasa 71, 72. Ay, guys. Magkurog ko. Guys, sana all kayo naka-TV. Oh, kaharahin. Nasa yung very comfortable. Yasli? Super. We're gonna buy the paint today?
Yeah.
And ito na lang face a wedding, babe.
What?
On the wedding day, just like this. Plain and simple.
It's up to you.
Hindi ko rin alam paano mag-makeup, guys. Ano ba yan? That's my weakness. I don't know how to put makeup on. Mag-plain lang ako. Ay, just this face. See? And then wedding dress. And then we're good. Ganyan lang tayo maglilinis ako. Oy, kumakain kasi yung isa. So, while he's eating, I'm gonna clean. Lipat na namin yung TV. Ayan, oh, yung TV, guys. Nandiyan na yung TV natin. Sa kabilang side, nakapag-paint na rin kami. Hindi pa buo. Well, actually, na-paint na rin namin dito na side, oh. Pero we need to, like, kailangan pa namin mag-patch. Kasi may mga ano pa dyan. Puti ba? So, yan po yung scenario. O, diba? Mas malinis na siya tingnan today. But then, meron pa kaming ilalagay. Like, yan. Papalitan namin yan. Kasi, di talaga siya match. And then, may mga gamit. Yeah. Andun sa kabila. Pero, magtatanggal pa kami ng iba. Tigurot niyo mo ang ano, grapes? Pwede ay. Uy, napamali mo adobo. Maglungag na lang kanto. Matay adobo. Ito na lang adobo. Ito yung nabili namin nung nakaraan, guys. Nagkikrave na naman ako ng ano, pinya. Naubos agad yung pinya. Pag-cut ko ng pinya, wala na naabtay ugma. Kurot na yun. Sobrang tamis ng grapes. It's very sweet. But it's sunny.
In this area that came on the market while I was in the Philippines.
Yeah, but it's already sold. No more. It's not available.
Right.
Yeah, there's
Well,
a kid.
that's my point. It's like, you know, there were definite possibilities. They got sold before I could get back.
I said earlier I was really annoyed because of the delay. The delay of my item na pinaka-iniintay ko talaga. But then, like right after I made a video, siguro mga 1 hour later, I received a notification and says, your item is in the post office. O, diba ka nice timing? And then, I already like, siguro ba bibili lang kami ng fresh flower? Wala na. Dumating na siya eh. So, yun na lang din gagamitin. Diba? Nagta-timing talaga. Maganda dito guys. Kasi meron silang storage dito for your things. Hindi pa ako nakapag-vlog in this area. Pero dito niya tinatambak yung mga gamit. Ang dami niyang gamit sa storage by the way. It's nice because it's close to the house. No?
Yeah.
This is the only storage here in your place? Or there
It's
are
the only
still...
one that I have, yeah.
But there are more storage facilities
There's
close
storage
by.
places everywhere.
Titingin daw kami ng furniture guys. First time namin dito. Star Furniture. You think it's alright to film? Is it okay to film?
I don't know.
Titingin lang kami guys ng furniture. Careful. Careful ha. There's nobody here. It's very silent. There is?
Yeah.
How do you think? Yashley, nice? Nice?
Which one do you like best? She doesn't.
She was like, not yet.
Sat in all of them.
Not yet. We are on the third couch pa. She was like, can we like look? There's a nice one there, oh, but it's beige, not gray.
How are you doing?
Hello.
Doing okay today?
Yeah.
We're a little short-handed, so I apologize.
Well, I think that's soft. Wait, let me try.
Mubalik ang pillow.
Let me.
Mubalik ang pillow.
Ay. This is nice.
You like that one?
But it's beige. It's not gray. See?
Yeah. First time the girl spilled hot chocolate on it.
What do you mean hot chocolate?
Well, you know, sitting and eating at the couch instead of.
That's why you have coffee table on the front.
Well, just get the girls to paint one for you. I'm sure they could draw that. You could draw that, right? Yes,
They
you could.
are.
I'm sure.
They're doing
You just need a little
sketches.
practice.
Ay, babe, this is nice too.
Yes, maliw na.
$2,700.
This one?
The one you were just sitting on.
This one is nice too. It's soft.
Yeah, this one
Uy.
is. Oh, it's only 10,000.
Oh yes, he said a 20% off.
Okay, so 8,000.
Ingon ko. Look naman
Look
guys,
sama.
oh. Sabi ko, 'di ba, ang ganda ng
Relax
couch
ka
na to, babe. Yung price, okay. Wait, tayong pinas.
Ulok sila tanan. Nagana gusto ko.
Wow. Ang ganda ng choices. Actually, they have a lot of good
About
furniture. So it's so cute.
3,000 for the set, less 20%. That's
2,000 something.
about 2,400, and then you got to add tax.
Ay, there's a tax.
Yeah,
Ano ba yan?
Texas has like 6.5%.
This one is
7%.
nice. Ala.
Oh, you like the table?
Yeah, it's $500 lamang. That's really nice.
Is it soft?
Yes, they were like, I can sleep
Softer
here.
than the other ones?
This is very easy to get dirty.
Well, that's the problem with the lighter colors.
The question now is, are we gonna spend this money for the couch? Nice painting. Nice painting, oh. We are in Lowe's na. Tapos na kami sa furniture searching, guys. And then, ang bibili namin dito is paint and also yung switch. Yung para sa switch namin, papalitan namin siya kasi beige color. We need white. So, we have to get it today. Now, look at this bathtub and shower slash. Maganda din yan. Alam nyo, nakikita nyo sa video namin, pabalik-balik lang kami sa store, guys. That's because we're doing a lot of things. Hindi ako makapag-vlog ng a lot of times. What? Yeah. Hindi ako nag-vlog every day. Like, just when I feel like I wanted to vlog an update. That's all. But yeah, madali lang kami dito. And then after Lowe's, we're going to post office to pick up my item from Shein na inaantay ko talaga. What are you guys doing? They just wanted to sit. They don't want to walk.
This one.
This, yeah. It's gonna match the black. Yep. This one is size. Naghahanap kasi kami, papalitan namin yung ano sa CR. White base. This is the size.
Yeah.
Even if we replace the bowl, the sink, how we call that one? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Perfect color combination kasi siya, like gray to. Yan gray kasi. Hala babe, if we're gonna paint our toilet gray and then our like this is gray, it should be like, well, it's fine. Okay, we have a white counter. Is this on this area the switches? Hala dara. All right. You can sit there. Okay, we're gonna get switches for the house. Hanap ako nung maliit na parang dadaanan siya ng wire ba. So, may nakita ako dito kaso lang malaki. So, papakita ko sa kanya kung gusto ba niya. Kasi para ma-hide natin yung cable ng TV ba. Ito oh. Gusto ko white. Meron ako nakita ito. Ganito siya. Nalabas ko ba to? Pero malaki. Ang hide talaga siya ng cable guys. Kaso lang malapad at malaki. Gusto ko ng white. Meron ito. Meron maliit. Like this one. Maliit siya. Which is just enough for the cable. Yung size niya parang 1 inch. Ang problema, black yung color. Daddy is here. Naguna mi sa car. Daddy is there. Bili na kami ng paint. Enough to paint our hallway, kitchen, and yung the rest of the living area.
What do you want? Chocolate, strawberries,
The frosty.
vanilla.
Fries? There's no fries in Sony. They don't have fries, right? We can make fries at home. We'll just get something to drink. We can make fries at home. Oy. So Wendy? Wendy's na lang. Okay. Wendy's na lang daw. Wendy's. We were here before, babe. I really thought it's like something parking area there. It's not pala parking. Punta kami Wendy's. Post Office first before Wendy's, or Wendy's first before Post Office? Texas A&M. Somebody is actually one latest video. Someone made a comment there like, I'm going there because I'm gonna send my son in the Texas A&M. Like, new subscriber. Thank you so much for watching. Very bright talaga yung araw, guys. See? It's so very bright.
Let me get one medium frosty chocolate.
Anything else?
2 small frosties, also chocolate,
Okay, the bill?
and 1 large fry. That's it.
Alright. Anything else?
That'll do it.
Wendy's kami. Yung mga bata gusto. Kasi may fries daw dito. Thank you, babe. Where's my straw? Ah! Thank you so much. Lukuya kay mga now.
They're too busy.
No, they were like trying to sip if they can. I couldn't sip it because it's so thick. Ashley, you're okay. Good? It's good? Tastes good? Thank you, babe.
Baby, read the fine print. I've got baggage and
Meron
it's
pala
all
siyang parcel din, guys. Parcel. Yung akin. Akala ko nakabox siya kasi nga hindi siya mura, ha? Hindi siya what is it? Di mura. Di naman ganun kamahal. Pero like yung price niya for an artificial flower bouquet. But anyway, we're heading home after 2 hours of being maybe 3 outside. What time is it? 2:15?
Yep.
2:15 na. Hindi pa kami nakapag-lunch.
Plus, we're
Pero nakakain na
about to
sila.
eat.
May french fries na sila. Ay! No. We had too much today.
Okay.
We had spent too much today. Wala na. Iniisip ko pa lang yung
I
couch.
haven't made it to $200 yet.
Not yet? Today?
Yeah.
Is that our maximum? Is that our maximum expenses in one day? That's
Well, we just spent over $160.
160. Ay, kinahanglan.
Well,
Dapat
because
pala
we're
200 a day ang
replace
expense.
all those switches and then
Ay.
paint.
Hindi ko alam, binilhan pala niya yung mga bata ng gummies, multivitamins. This one. And then ito daw sa akin. Ano kaya to? Hopefully this one is not really the big capsules. Like taking vitamins, like yung big capsules na vitamins. Oh my gosh. How to open this? Oh, that looks so cute. Can I open this na? I wanna see how it looks like inside. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, wala akong dalang vitamins from the Philippines. Actually, may dala ako. Pero yung, ay, very good. Perfect. Walang smell. And maliliit lang. Small, small, small. This is perfect size. Maliliit na capsule. Kasi like yung stress tab ba? Like sa Philippines sa stress tab, ang laki. Minsan, masangit sa akong liog. Esophagus. Masangit. Wow. We are at the house na, guys. Asan na yung binili nito? Where did you put? Sa bahay na kami, guys. Andito na yung mga things na kailangan namin. But, mag-relax na tayo. Kapoy ko. You don't wanna open this later na? You can wear that at the church. Too.
Well, yeah. That's kind of what I got them for.
Is wag kang matumba. Anyway, i-unbox. Hindi siya naka-box. Pero, i-open na lang. Natin yung nabili ko na bouquet. Kita ko ba sa inyo, guys? So, huwag na lang. Asan na yun? Finally, nakaligo tayo, guys. Nakaligo. Isi-celebrate natin yung ating kaligo. Nakaligo na ako. Ano oras na ba? 6:33. We're gonna reheat food. Kasi gusto kumain ng mga kids. And then, yung mukha natin dyan. Dito, maganda ang go. Maganda yung ating color dyan. Ang laki ng ating bukton, guys. Like, good luck na lang sa ating laki ko talaga. Anyway, tatapusin ko yung pagtitape after ko ma-feed yung mga kids. Bibigyan ko lang sila po. Iti-tape natin to dito kasi mag-paint kami sa dito na side, guys. Ito yung sa kitchen namin. Yan, naka-tape na yan kasi na-tape ko yun. Naka-tape ko yan kahapon. Naubusan kami ng tape, yung green na pang-paint na tape. Ikot natin yan dyan. Lahat yan. Kasi yung ceiling natin, di pwedeng malagyan ng paint kasi white na yan. So, yung pipaint lang natin yan. And then, dito din guys, ang ipipaint namin is yung sa baba, same color lang ng ganyan. Ito, beige to ha, pero kukulayan namin yan ng white. Sabi ko kasi pag mas maganda pag lighter talaga yung sa dining. Maliit lang yung dining namin ha. Like, hindi naman talaga malaki yung bahay. But then, lagi kong sinasabi, as long as malinis, it will be good. And then, yan, hanggang sa dulo. I-paint namin yan guys. Ito lang yung ititrim naman. Titape ko yung iba na may white trim. Kasi hindi natin yan isasali sa color. Yun. Ito naman, i-move lang natin to. Kasi kakamove lang namin nito kahapon. Kasi nga nagpipaint kami sa side. Dito. So yan, nag-move kami dyan. And then, ano ba? Ito din palang, natin, sahig. Plan din yan na ilisdan. I-change. Meron na kaming plano, meron na kaming kulay na gustong ipalit. So, yun. One step at a time, people. Initin ko lang ha. Nainit ko na yun kanina kasi dito sila natawag eh. Tama ba eh? It's very sad. Kaka-receive ko lang ng message from our group chat, my friends, talking about our high school advisor died. Lang talaga guys. It's just very sad. Like, I know that everybody will really die one day. Parang masarap. Multivitamins ng mga kids. Pang kids lang to. Sabi ni Bill, 2 ganito lang dapat in a day. Kasi mutan, may sarap. Yung akin, I think once a day to. Vitamins A, B, complex C, D, E, biotin, cranberry, iron, folate. This is so good for me. Kasi merong iron. Anemic ako eh. Folate din. Folate? Ano ba folate? Ano ba yan? Gummy bear, multivitamins. Duwara ni in a day. So, dapat morning and evening, 1-1. So, hindi na. Tapos ko lang kumain. You want to eat? Nawala na yung isa. Anyway. Diba? Anong oras na ba guys? 7:30. Tingnan nyo sa labas. Pakita ko sa inyo sa labas. Anong nangyari sa labas? Sobrang hayag. Ito po ang labas natin people. 7:33 in the evening. Pero yung labas natin, tcharam! Mainit. Hugas tayo. Kami ba tayo hugasan? Murag gamay. Lagi ito hugasan. Ay, hindi ko na nagawa yung dapat kong gawin. Diba? I'm supposed to finish this taping thing. Hindi ko na nagawa kasi nag-uusap kami ni Belle. By the way, guys, binigyan pala kami ng bracelet nung nandun kami sa furniture, Star Furniture. May lalaki doon nagbigay nito. For free. Pati yung mga kids. You want to eat?
Maybe.
And fajitas. You don't like this? Ham cheddar, crispy, buttery.
Oh, a Hot Pocket. Have you ever had a Hot Pocket?
No.
You've never had a Hot Pocket?
Nope.
Wow. Never?
No, because we don't have that in the Philippines.
Oh, well. You need to experience a Hot Pocket.
Why do you call it Hot Pocket? Pocket is like pocket?
You'll find out.
Hot Pocket. it's like embutido. No. It's still like, you're gonna bake it?
You want to
Ooh,
cook
that-
it in the microwave.
That looks good. Well, it looks good, but I don't know how it tastes good.
Well, let's find out.
Let's find out. We can try. Lalagay ako sa ating dishwasher ng mga hugasin kasi marami tayong hugasin. Hot pocket. Magluluto na siya ng hot pocket. It looks like in Jollibee that I always got. How do you call that one? I forgot. Ano ba yun? Mango pea? Mango pea? Tama ba? Mango pie? Manga pie? But it's good.
I guess
Before.
I guess
Oh,
we'll
it's
find,
nice of the
I guess we'll find out. You have to let it sit for 2 minutes.
Now we will. I have to put paper also?
Up to you.
Oh! So it's... Wala na talaga guys. Yung katawan namin wala na. Huwag ka nang mag-expect na ano pa tayo, pang body, pang swimsuit body pa tayo. Wala na guys. Nalusaw na siya. Nalusaw. Sarap kumain eh. Hot pot. Serve.
You want a bite?
I'll just try.
It's not hot. It's warm. It's warm enough to melt the cheese.
Oh, it's good. Yeah.
Aren't you glad I left 2 more?
No, it's for you.
No, it's for you.
But you ba?
Good. Find out the girls like it.
Naman siya. Uy, galhig. Buho mo niya akong kamera. Your car? Open your door. Come on, daddy, try naman.
Saan na to ako?
There, try lang. If you like.
May, kaya. Basta mo agis siya si Malvika. Ito ni Kuan.
Try ba? Mahulugan mo bed. Sa bed. Good. Good.
Go.
Patay na, babe. Babe,
What?
you like? Well, na cool. You like it? Makuya mo. How many minutes? There are still 3 here.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine.